Hey guys, it's Stacy and I'm back with another video for you guys, and this is how to crimp your hair. And I've already done a bit of my hair to show you guys what it's like, if you can see that. And before you do this, make sure that you put heat defensive spray in your hair, and I used the Pantene Pro V heat defense spray, and this is heat defense gloss spray for fine hair. Also, make sure you clip this up with a hairbrush, a hair tie, just to make sure your hair is secure and none of it will fall down too. And the appliance that I'm using is the Babyliss Pro. And now I will just show you how to achieve wavy hair. Okay, so you want to take down a section of hair, and just section that off there. And you're going to want to part that in half, just like this. And I'm going to be starting with this side first. So I'm just going to get the bit that is straightened, so I'm just going to start off here first. Okay. And I have about an inch of my hair. It depends what you want. I want medium size. I don't want them too big and I don't want them too small, so I have medium sized ones here. And just put the appliance on your hair and leave that for about 6 to 8 seconds. And then just continue going down the hair. Just like that. And there you go. You have lovely crimps. Now I'm just going to go off and split up another section of hair here. And if it is your first time using an appliance like this, I would recommend you to use a glove because you will burn yourself. And make sure that you're very clear of your scalp because you don't want to burn that either. Because let's face it, I don't think any girl has ever done this once or twice and not burned themselves. So, like I said, just leave that on for about 6 seconds, and then you have lovely crimps in your hair. Okay, and then we're going to start with the other side. And like I did before, I'm just going to section off the bits I need. So, I'm going to get about an inch, and I'm going to put the appliance on, and I'm just going to be very, very careful with this, guys. And like I said, 6 seconds, 6 to about 8 seconds. If you leave it on any more than that, it will burn your hair. And I'm going to get this section now, and we're going to do the exact same thing, and we're just going to crimp. I'm just going to make sure I have that in the barrel. Okay. And there you go. You have instant crimpy hair. I feel like I'm using the wrong word. I know that a lot of people say it's crimps, but I prefer to say wavy hair. I'm very weird about, like, if someone says something to me, and it doesn't sound right to me. I have to say it the other way, that I think it's right, because then I don't know what I'm saying, and it gets very awkward. Is anybody else like that, or is it just me that says that? More than likely, it's probably just me, but I am very weird. And like before, put the crimper on for about 6 seconds. And go down the hair. And there you have it. Okay, I'm going to let the other section go. And I'm going to crimp this back. And yeah, that's about all of this side done. And now we're just going to work on this side of my hair. And I'm just going to separate this in half. Because, like I said, I don't want my waves to be too big. I'm going to let down the rest of my hair here, and we're going to do the exact same thing, which is go ahead and crimp. I'm just saying crimp again. And there we go. There is your lovely crimped hair, or wavy hair, any way you like to call it. It's your own. And when I'm done, I like to just put my fingers through my hair instead of brushing, because then you don't lose the intensity of the waves, but they're not so big and in your face either. So this is my hair tutorial on how to achieve the perfect waves, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos, vlogs, tutorials, and anything else. So like I said, I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!